Hey everybody, Kensurfs here, and we're back in the shave den for another shave review. Today we're going to be trying from Damn Fine Soap Company, Gypsy Soul, Meat Eater's Luxury Shave Soap, butter-rich tallow and lanolin formula. So if you're a vegan, you're not going to like this. But what's good about this is it's supposed to give really rich lather. So we're going to try that out. It's Gypsy Soul is the scent. And it's, well, I read, it's cinnamon and citrus, and it sure does smell good, and it's very hard soap, see? So what we are going to do is we're going to try that out for the first time today. I brought the Rockwell out. I was going to use the Rockwell 6S on my last shave and the adjustable shave. And this is an adjustable razor. It's not adjustable by a dial, but it's adjustable by the aggressiveness of the base plate you're using. There's a 1, and I'm going to be using the 3 today. So the 3 I'm going to have at the bottom so you can read it. We're going to be using setting 3, and I'm going to use a Voskhod blade. Got a new pack of them, a new sleeve of them from eBay, so I'm going to be trying them out today. All right, how is your week going? First shave of this week. I did the shave den tour, and actually it went over pretty good with you guys. You never know. Some people like them, some people don't. We can't please everybody. There we go. So we are set at setting 3. Don't know if you can see that. Rockwell 6S has a little bit of an overhang. I can hang onto the blade. From Santa Ana, California, Suavecito. I've been in their store. I went in their store. I purchased this in their store. They have a really good brick and mortar store. Just shelves of mainly pomade, but they're getting into the shaving stuff in a big way. So I went in there and I picked that up. I've used it before, but we're using it again. Somebody saw it on the shelf and they go, "Hey, which Suavecito is that?" And I said, "Black Amber." So out it came. Somebody asked if I would try another horsehair brush, and I've got 2 horsehair brushes, maybe 3. I've got the Violon and 2 Cremos. And the Cremo has a plastic handle and the Violon has the wooden handle. So you see a lot of the coating is coming off. This is a well-used brush. It no longer smells like a wet animal. When you first get a horsehair brush, it's gonna stink. It's gonna stink worse than a badger. For several shaves, it's gonna stink. Then the smell is gonna go away. It's gonna be great. A lot of people like them because they're cruelty-free. If you're gonna be doing a cruelty-free one, tuxedo knot synthetics are also the way to go. But I like badgers, I like horsehair, I like synthetics, I like boar. You know, we do a shaving channel here, guys, so you're gonna see a lot of different brushes. All right, got everything ready. I got my alum block set. Gonna use the alum block again, got it in its holder. All right. It's Tuesday night. Hope the first 2 days of the week, whoops, there went that air freshener, are doing good. See, it's weird, man. I go from synthetic brushes to horsehair brushes to badger brushes. And then I forget each one loads a little differently. And someone's gonna say, "Oh man, that soap is so thin." And again, I'm gonna say, you shave the way you like. The way I do it might not be good for you, but it works good for me. Can add a little more water to it. You can tell I need a shave, man. I got some good growth going there, which means there's a chance of nicks. All right. Sure smells good. Oh yeah, That's very slick. Yeah, very slick. All right, Rockwell. Right away, I don't like that head. So, I'm gonna put a different one on. That was not cutting it. So you see, I'm gonna go with a 4. Mid-shave bloopers, man. Mid-shave bloopers. Let's try a 4. Oh yeah. Hear that? What I missed? Now that's an adjustable razor. See, that knocked it down. The blade, the razor, and the setting all have an effect. That's probably the first time I used a Boss Cod blade on setting 3, which I use all the time for this razor. But for that, blade combo did not work. Some people say they have trouble with the Rockwell head under your nose. Seems to work okay for me. The Future did not work too good for me under my nose. Yeah, it's knocking it down much better. So I was used to setting 3, only setting 3 on this razor. Not with that blade. Wasn't doing its job. You should get almost all the hair off in the first pass. The rest are touch-ups. Yeah, the other passes are just touch-ups. So you see, yeah, very good. Knocked it almost all the way down. Man, I couldn't have planned that better. That head didn't work. Had to swap mid-shave there. All right. And the water. I've dipped the brush in the water. You're not going to wait 15 minutes to see me whip up a lather. My beard is not very thick. I don't need the lather too thick. I just need it slick. All right. Some people even change the head now for the second pass. Yeah. Man. The tallow and lanolin really stick to you. So you're stuck at home, you're bored out of your mind. A new movie came out on Netflix, Old Guard with Charlize Theron. Kind of a ripoff of, in my opinion, of Highlander, but in a modern way. But a good movie. So if you're bored, check it out. Old guard. Still feedback. Yeah, that stuff's sticking to me, man. Probably left soap in there, I know. All right, it didn't cut me. Very good. I don't look like I've been living out in the woods for 6 days. All right. Could feel the pores tightening up. One guy said that another shaver, YouTube shaver, has been putting a rubber band around his Allen block for a long time now. And a damn good idea. Way to go. Set it in there. Now she's drying. Off to the side, no issues. All right. Suavecito, black amber. I forgot if this burns or not. Oh, we're gonna find out. I got soap. Seriously? Okay. Not really. So it either has alcohol in there and it doesn't burn, it's got a little bit of a tingle. It's not shocking to me like the Home Alone guy, you know, but a nice scent too. Man, I probably... It's very unused. I got to get this back in the rotation. Well, soap worked out good. I like the, I went looking for damnfinesoapcompany.com, but it's actually Pucking Good Shave. Pucking Good Shave. And there's a Damn Fine Soap Company and a Damn Fine Shave Company. So I tagged you correctly in the Instagram post. So a lot of similar named companies out there. And I just got a new package from West Coast Shaving. They gave me an item I can do in my 25,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway and a new item to try. So that just arrived today. I haven't even opened it yet. So we'll find out what that is. Hey, thanks very much for watching. Stay safe and we'll see you all again very soon.